Hello everyone, I am Ms. Alpinon
I am Junaline M. Dicen
and
we are PEd 1B.
And today we would like to present a research entitled
Effect of
Socioeconomic
socioeconomic
Status on the Development
on
Children.
children.
Abstract. As the children from socioeconomically disadvantaged backgrounds are prone to more favorable development, they are more likely to repeat grades, to develop special education needs in the course of their later school years, or to withdraw from school before completing their program. Goodman and Sensi, 2005, Nicholas Reynolds and Drew Sipowicz, 2008, Reynolds et al. 2007. This applies where low socioeconomic status brings an impoverishment of the child's world so that the child lacks the basic social and cognitive stimulation required for optimum development. For this reason, researchers examine informed education and school preparation at home, for example, parents teaching strategies when playing and their manner of conserving with their children. Their analysis have revealed differences between families that are associated with socioeconomic status and identified these are the key cause of early differences between children in cognitive and language development, intelligence, and school achievement. Hoof 2006, Hoff and Tarrant in 2005. This low socioeconomic status can be associated with poor informal learning at home, resulting in children being less well prepared for normal schooling. Luisman 2002. So, let's proceed to the introduction. Socioeconomic status refers to the relative position an individual, a family, or a group holds within a societal hierarchy according to its access to power over valued goods such as wealth or social recognition and privileges. Under these terms, the members of the society can be classified to different social data according to the status values they have acquired. Typically, professional occupation and education, family income, power, and prestige are important components of these values, and members of the different strata are also faced with different living conditions. Children of families with a low socioeconomic status are frequently at risk of not successfully developing the skills they need to achieve at school. Since their skills are less developed in the early year, the school readiness gap for these children is greater than for children from families with a higher socioeconomic status. So, let's proceed to the methodology. This chapter describes the methods and procedures employed in this study, which include the title page, abstract, introduction, methodology, findings, discussion, conclusion, and recommendation, and references.
Findings. Their analysis have revealed difference between the families that are associated with socioeconomic status and define these are the key cause of early difference between the children and the cognitive and the language development intelligence and school achievement. Those low socioeconomic status can be associated with poorer informal learning at home and result in children being less prepared for formal schooling. Discussions. This apply with the low psychoeconomic status bring the impoverishment of the children world so that children lacks of the being social cognitive stimulation required for optimum development. For this reason, researchers have examined informal education and school preparation at home. For example, parents teaching strategy with the playing, their manners of conversing with the children. Their analysis have revealed a difference between the families that are associated with psychoeconomic status and define this as a key cause of early difference between the children and the cognitive language development, intelligence, and school achievement. Those low psychoeconomic status can be associated with poorer informal learning at home, resulting in the children being less with the preparing for formal schooling. Conclusion and recommendation. The psychoeconomic status refer to the relative position of an individual, a family, or a group holds within a societal hierarchy according to its access to or a power over valued goods, such as wealth or social recognition and privilege. Under these terms, the member of society can be classified into the different social strata according to the status value they have acquired. Typically, the parental occupation, education, family income, the power of a prestige, important components of this value, and a member of the different strata also faces with the different living conditions. Parents. May Lloyd, 1988, C.J. Holman, 2000, Muller at Parson, 1981, Dokhan, Boxgan, and Claypole, 1988-94, McLeod, 1998, Moster, Stave, and Hollerworth, 2005, Roberts, Bolstern, Taylor, and Barrett, 1999, Taylor, Daling, and McCartney, 2004, Brittany, Brown, and Stoll, 2004, Pixon and Stevie, 2007, Stevie, 2006, Iris Rosenborn, 2008, Roman Miller, Stratade, 1985, Mosnos, Miller, and Rome, 2004, Moster, Breyer, and 2008, Osborne, Milkban, 1998, Osborne, 2008, Godman Still, 2005, Neles, Naylods, and Rolsponwitz, 2008, Reloads, and 2007, Hope, 2008, Dan, 2005, Lessman, 2002.